Hello and welcome to a little preview of Week 7 in Statistics 1. Hope all is doing well and making progress on Exam 1, which, as a little reminder, is due before midnight on Monday, February 26th. St. Peter's is on spring break this week, February 27th through March 5th. So this course is going to take a break as well. So Week 7 really is not until March 6th through the 12th. And for Week 7, we're going to take a little break from our continuation in the text and in the content that we're covering in this course. And you're going to spend some time doing some research, taking a step in the whole research design mode by not doing any research yourself from scratch, but basically researching other people's research. So, for Week 7, and due on March 12th, you're going to produce what is called an annotated bibliography. And in the Week 7 link, and it is an assignment that you will submit, you see here that I have information as far as why we're doing this, but also a link, and it's right here for you, the description of the assignment. And the purpose again is to get you working in the research frame of mind, also getting used to the databases that St. Peter's affords you through their library site. And what you're going to do is find 3 peer-reviewed research articles that pertain to your professional or academic situation. And you don't have to submit the actual research papers to me, but I'd like you to find 3 of them that catch your eye. And the annotated bibliography, you're basically going to give me 3 of what I demonstrate or give you an example here in blue of. And basically within that, you're going to do 3 things. First, provide a brief overview of what the article entails. Then give a general description of the statistical analyses run in the actual research of the paper. And then third, a commentary on your level of comfort with respect to the statistics used. So there might be some parts of the research and the statistical analyses run that you are comfortable with, and there might be some that you don't recognize just yet because we haven't gotten to that point in our course. And in blue here, I give you a model of what one of those might look like. So I'm posting this now 2 weeks early so that it doesn't creep up on you and catch you by surprise when you start Week 7. So basically you have 2 weeks to work on this if you haven't begun already. If you have any questions about format or about how to use St. Peter's University's databases, let me know. All right, thank you.